Alright, so this is the rear door card. I've given it a bit of a clean up, but it's got and I've pulled a few of the screws out, but this is the armrest, and you can see there's a bit of staining on the top of the armrest there. It's got a bit of a cut here. Otherwise it's not too bad. It's a bit of broken stitching. As I said, I've cleaned it up, but I'll see if we can clean out, get rid of some of this staining here, see what that comes up like. Alright, I've just got the finished rear door card here, so I've just cleaned it up. I've had a bit of a go at trying to fix the stitching up there. It's pretty rough, but only maybe I noticed that. Cleaned up the top of the armrests here. They had a bit of brown stain on them, so it's come up alright. I actually repainted it. Cleaned up the chrome here, ashtray. Try and open it. It's got a little nice little insert in there. It's cleaned up alright. And yeah, so I'll do the other one and hopefully be okay to stick them in.